Creating private name servers at Namecheap. This demo assumes you have a domain name registered through Namecheap and starts from their home page. Now let's learn how to create our own custom private name servers. Click the Sign In link here and sign in to your account. Click Domains list on the left. Click the Manage link next to the domain you want to create custom name servers for. Then click Advanced DNS. Under Personal DNS Server, click Add Name Server. Enter the name server and associated IP address, then click Done. Repeat the process to create the second name server. That's it! You've successfully created custom private name servers for your domain name. Please note that it could take up to 24 hours for your new private name servers to propagate and be recognized across the Internet. This is the end of the tutorial. You now know how to create private name servers at Namecheap.